change because we hit 2,000 kilometers. And then go to we don't really have a destination. We're just gonna be in the mountains somewhere at the end of today. So our next big thing is gonna be, I can't remember the names for anything.
We are leaving Hoi An.
Leaving Hoi An now. So yeah, good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's day
14.
14.
2 weeks we've been in Southeast Asia. I have Satomi's jacket on because I'm so sunburned and I didn't bring any long sleeves.
Okay.
Yeah, today we're going to Phong Nha National Park. We're gonna stay there for 2 days because we've been driving all day yesterday, and we're gonna drive all day today. And we're pretty tired, huh, after 2 weeks. So we're gonna go up there, chill for a day, maybe check out the national park. We've got about 230 kilometers to ride today, so that's about 5 or 6 hours if we boogie pretty fast. So let's get going. It's about 10 o'clock. Okay, let's go.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb.
So it's 1:30. We've been riding for what? About 2 or 3 hours. We left what time?
About 10.
About 10, so 3.5 hours we've been riding. We're getting pretty close though from here to the hotel. Pretty close, yeah, 84 kilometers.
40 minutes.
About, yeah, that's what Google Maps says, but it's really hard to keep up that pace. So, a couple more hours, 2-3 more hours.
Okay. Okay, day 15. We woke up really early this morning and went to a hospital to get vaccine for
Sorry,
you.
40 kilometers away. It took us about 45 minutes to get there. Then we came back, took like a 2-hour nap, changed
nice.
rooms,
Yeah.
got a nice view. Gonna go get some lunch and then take a boat tour into a cave.
Yeah. Yay! Let's go. We came to Bamboo Cafe. These Vietnamese iced coffee are really good.
We came here yesterday. It's really good, really sweet and also bitter, which is hard to do, I think.
And we ordered kebab and the sweet and sour spare ribs.
Can't wait to start it.
sweet and sour
Sweet and sour
spare
spare
rib
ribs.
with rice. And
Kebab's gonna make a sandwich.
イエーイ。いただきます。ボートに乗ります。Gonna go fourth floor to caves.
Just us two, we got our own boat.
Oh, how much?
For like $30 maybe for everything. To do this tour like through a tour company, it's like $100. And yeah, $236. Private boat. Oh, it's about to fall apart. Ah, pretty quick, huh? Oh, it's starting to rain a little bit. Satomi!
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
Ah, here comes the rain. Yesterday it started pouring rain when we were on the bike about an hour from the hotel. It's gonna start raining again soon, about the same time as it did yesterday. You can already feel a few drops. We're gonna go in there. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Yeah. And we got a nice roof. Wow. It's really starting to rain, huh? Oh, we made it.
Always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Oh, that's why there's a buoy there.
Huh?
A buoy. That yellow buoy. I think that means it's as far as you can go. Just keeps going on and on. 46 kilometers. Let's go this way. Let's take a picture in front of this one. Inside the cave. Hiking in the cave. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at this one. Too fucking bright, huh?